Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by installing a library like NLTK or SPA-SCI and downloading its language data. This gives you tokenizers and stopword sets. Once done, load your raw text and normalize case to avoid duplicates. Next, tokenize the text into words or SPA-SCI tokens so you can operate on units. Make sure to pick the language stopword list that matches your text. If not available, plan to create a custom list. These initial steps prepare the pipeline for precise removal. Now implement the removal. Build or load a stopword set and filter tokens with a comprehension or filter. Call that's fast and readable. At the same time, strip punctuation and normalize contractions so words like don't become do not if desired. This affects which tokens match stopwords. Once you've filtered, consider lemmatizing or stemming to reduce forms to their base so your stopword list catches all variants. Keep performance in mind for large corpora. To finish, reconstruct the clean text from tokens, paying attention to spacing and case if you need readable output. Save or stream results, and for big datasets, process in batches to limit memory use. If output looks wrong, troubleshoot systematically. Check your tokenizer splits, verify that stopword coverage matches dialect, and that normalization steps, case, punctuation, contractions, ran in the correct order. If words you expect to remove remain, expand the stopword list or adjust preprocessing and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.